In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set viewport in Framer. By the end, you'll know exactly how to choose the right device size so your layout, spacing, and typography look correct from the start. First, head over to Framer in your browser and open the project you want to work on. Once you're on the canvas, you'll see the main toolbar. Look for the plus icon. This is the Insert button. Clicking it opens the library of things you can add to your project, and it's where you'll find the device presets that control your viewport. With the Insert panel open, choose the option labeled Phone or Tablet depending on the view you want to design for. When you select Phone, Framer drops a frame onto your canvas that matches a common mobile viewport. Selecting Tablet does the same for a larger tablet viewport. Picking the right one here is how you set the context for your design. Think of it as choosing the frame your entire layout will live inside, so interactions, spacing, and scaling behave the way they will on the actual device. If you're unsure which to pick, start with Phone because it helps you prioritize essential content and keeps decisions focused. You can always create another view later with the tablet preset to explore a larger layout. If the preset doesn't feel like the exact size you want, you can fine-tune the frame's width and height in the right-hand panel after placing it. Small adjustments are totally fine. The key is that you're working inside a device-specific frame. Once your device frame is on the canvas, place your sections, components, and text inside that frame. This keeps everything constrained to the chosen viewport and prevents your design from sprawling to desktop dimensions unintentionally. As you add elements, you'll immediately see how margins, paddings, and responsive settings behave within that size, which makes it easier to catch issues early. A quick tip: keep names and layers organized as you build inside the frame. Clear labels make it simple to duplicate the frame later if you want to experiment with a different viewport without starting from scratch. That's the whole process. Go to Framer, click the plus to open the insert options, and choose Phone or Tablet to set your viewport. With that done, you're designing in the right context from the first pixel, which saves time and leads to cleaner, more consistent results. Thanks for watching and happy designing in Framer.